right? So whatever event style you have set up, whatever you want to specialize in, just know that sooner or later you're going to have to duplicate that setup. Okay, so that means that if you currently have 5 stanchions, 4 RGB lights, a 6-foot table, some props, you're going to have to double up on that. So when you have 2 events back to back on the same day, you have enough stanchions, enough lights to go around. And that right there, my friend, is going to be a new set of problems. But this is a good thing because this shows that you're actually growing. So congratulations if you've been booked twice in one day and were able to execute it. A huge congratulations to you guys because it took me a while to get to that level. And it was my fault. It was my fault because what I was doing is, instead of doubling up on my equipment and doing on these events on my own, what I was doing is I was contracting some of the work out to other contractors so that I'll have my event and I'll take care of it. And then if I had an event I couldn't fulfill, I will call local photo booth business owners around my area to see if they wanted to take on the event. You don't want to do that, guys, because we spend a lot of work, time, and energy trying to get these leads by really improving our online presence. So you really want to double down on that. Now, if you guys want to hire people as contractors, that's a great idea.